what's up and welcome back to Get Ready with me. Today we are going to be doing a natural makeup look. It's super simple and it's gonna have that glowy finish at the end, and you're gonna use very less makeup. It's like my favorite to-go makeup if I want to go to any store, if I want to go grocery shopping. As you can see, I have a super cute bun already here because I'm gonna go visit Target right now. So I thought, why not show my natural makeup look really quick, and let's get started with it. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and click the join button in the description box below so you can support your girl, and let's get started. Guys, this is the look. It is super simple, very dewy and glowy, so I love this. You can see it's literally like you have no makeup at all in your face, but still it looks super refreshing. And this is my to-go makeup. So if you guys like my to-go makeup, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And I hope you love it and try it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.